Hi, my name's Lee, I work for Microscooters, and today I'm going to talk you through how we change the combination from the default setting on one of our combination locks. Right, all our combination locks come as a default setting of 0, 0, 0. As you can see, this one is set and this unlocks. But what I'm going to do is, on this side, there is a little button. So what we do is press the button and then we change the number to whatever we want, and I'm going to change this one to 222, I think. There we go, and then just release that. It locks back, and if I change it back to 0, 0, 0, you'll see that it doesn't lock, or any other combination, it doesn't lock. So now I'll go back to 222. And it unlocks. And you can do this as many times as you like.